Hello Kraft team, in this video we'll be taking our headband a step finer with the use of Gele fabric. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Join the Kraft team. I am Ibiware. Let's get crafting. All items used will be in the description box below. To start off, take a measurement of your headband from the farthest point, which gave about 1 inch. Then the measurement of the length measurement is about 14.5 inches. Then the circumference of the widest point of your headband is about 3 inches. So that gave me a guide of the measurement of my fabric. So I cut out 15 inches length fabric and 3 inches wide Gele fabric. So that is what I'll be working with. The length is 15 inches and the width is 3 inches. So apply glue on the tip of your headband, then gently overlap your fabric on it, putting the fraying end inwards. Cover the tip of your headband with your Gele fabric. Make sure the headband is at the center of your fabric. Now you know that the Alice headband is a bit thin when it comes towards the end, so it cannot give the same measurement as the widest point. Gently take your fabric, the both ends, towards the center of your headband. Then it will give you a guide on how to trim out the excess of your Gele fabric or any other fabric you'll be using. Make sure that when you cut off the excess, the both ends can still meet at the center of your headband. So this will help you when you want to sew. It will make it easier for you to just sew together. So check before you cut out so you don't cut it too short, or if it's too wide, when you sew together it will feel bulky at the middle. So you check, then you trim out the excess. This tutorial is quick and easy, but it gives your headband a stylish look. You can use any other fabric to customize it this way. So I'll just go ahead to check and trim off to make sure that my fabric can meet themselves at the center of my headband. The glue was only applied at the tip. It was not applied all over the headband. It was only applied at the tip to fold in that fraying and fraying point inwards. So now at the tip I'll just fold in both ways, the left and the right. Bring it towards the center, fold it the left and the right, bring it towards the center. Then we sew with our needle and thread. Now this method is good because your headband, the top of your headband, comes out looking smooth without any the other method. We have the other method also, which we use the ribbon, satin ribbon, which you roll over, but the top of your headband will just come out looking smooth and flawless, and you can actually use it the way without attaching anything on it, and it will still look fine. So that is the advantage of using this sewn method over the other satin method where you roll over, but both serves their purpose. So you can check out the other video for our satin ribbon customized hairband. So I'm almost done sewing. As you can see, the stitches are the middle of your headband. This helps it makes it easier for you when you're covering it with your trimming for all to align in place. So I'll just go ahead to do the finishing of the sewing. Then our hairband is ready. It's almost ready. It's something you can quickly do and glam up your outfit. And this Gele fabric I'm using, let me give you the secret, is I'm just upcycling the Gele fabric, which is a old one that has been used over time. So now I just like, oh, it can be used for something else, and it's coming out looking stunning. So it's something you can, your old fabrics lying around, you can upcycle them to something fashionable and stylish. Nothing is a waste. Keep that in mind. Nothing is a waste. So if you like this style and you tried it out, you can share with us on our Facebook page and Instagram page at Ibis Fine Crafties. Tag us and we'll share your designs too with others. So I'm done. I'll just go ahead, cut off my thread, secure my stitch. Then once I'm done with my sewing and my stitches, you can either use any trimming of choice, or you can use a Petersham ribbon. For today, I used Petersham ribbon because I could not get any other trimming and I needed to do this headband because I wanted to use it for something else. So that is the beauty also of this headband. You can use it as it is, or you can attach something else to the headband and it's all fine and good. So just go ahead, cut off my thread and any rough edges I'm seeing there. So to attach your trimmings or your Petersham ribbon to the center of your headband, you can use UHU glue or glue gun, whichever one is available and is most convenient for you. But be careful when using glue gun because it's hot, so that you don't burn your skin. So for the Petersham ribbon, the way I folded in the edge for my Gele fabric, that is what I'll be doing also. I'll fold in the edge and apply UHU glue to it and gum it so the fraying edge stays inside. So the fraying edge will stay inside. I'll do the same thing for both ends, then stick it to my headband. Then we are done, like done. And you can just, put it on your head, go out on a sunny day looking all girly and stylish. You can be fine like that. Yeah, simple and stylish. So that is the beauty of using and the Gele fabric makes it look unique and fine. So look at it, we're all finished up, looking so fine and beautiful. You can style it alone, or like I used it to attach a headpiece that will be coming on later. You can do the same thing. So we are done for today. Thank you for watching. Like I always say, be creative. Till we meet again, take care. Bye.